Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you've been thinking about diving into the world of stock options but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the 7 essential steps to start trading stock options. Let's get started. Step 1. Educate yourself. Before you jump into trading, it's crucial to understand what options are and how they work. Read books, take online courses, and watch educational videos to build a strong foundation. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better prepared you'll be. Step 2. Choose the right brokerage. Not all brokerages offer options trading, and those that do may have different fees and features. Look for a brokerage that offers a user-friendly platform, reasonable fees, and good customer service. Do your research and pick a brokerage that suits your trading needs. Step 3. Open and fund your account. Once you've chosen a brokerage, you'll need to open an account and deposit funds. This might include providing personal information and choosing the type of account you want. Make sure you understand any minimum deposit requirements and funding options, and how long it will take for your funds to transfer into your trading account. Also understand that in most cases, you will need to apply for a higher level trading account to trade stock options. Step 4. Understand the basics of options. Learn the key terms such as calls, puts, strike price, expiration date, and premiums. This knowledge is essential for making informed trading decisions. Familiarize yourself with these terms to build a solid foundation. Step 5. Develop a trading strategy. Decide what your goals are and how you plan to achieve them. Whether it's income generation, hedging, or speculation, your strategy will guide your trades. A good goal and strategy to start off with, whether the funds for the account are small or large, is to aim for 20% returns weekly. Write down your plan and stick to it. Discipline is key in trading. Step 6. Practice with paper trading. Many brokerages offer paper trading accounts where you can practice without risking real money. This is a great way to test your strategies and build confidence. Use this opportunity to learn from your mistakes without financial risk. Step 7. Start trading small. When you're ready to trade with real money, start with small positions. This allows you to manage risk and gain experience without significant financial exposure. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually increase your trade size. And there you have it, the 7 essential steps to start trading stock options. Remember, patience and practice are key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Also in the description, you can start your trading account with a few free stocks on me through Webull or Robinhood. It helps you, and it helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.